Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Pyruvate dehydrogenase converts pyruvate into acetyl-CoA, but we need to find evidence of negative regulation. Let's solve this biology puzzle quickly by analyzing the reaction rates.
Negative regulation or feedback inhibition occurs when the product of a reaction actually slows down the enzyme that created it. We need to see if acetyl-CoA stops its own production here. In Figure 1, the slope of each line represents the reaction rate. If negative regulation is happening, a higher concentration of the product must result in a much flatter, slower slope. As acetyl-CoA accumulates and the y-axis increases, the rate of the reaction clearly drops. This direct relationship proves that the product inhibits the enzyme.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.